Hey, it's Jason at Hard Money Bankers with your Private Money Minute. Are you on track to hit your 2021 goals? Yes, you are. You on track? We're past the 6 month mark of the year, so it's time to go. It's time to hit these goals. Here's a few tips. Number one, write them down. Right? It's not real life until they're written down. Do it digitally, do it on paper. Take them out of your head and put them on paper. Make them real. Typically, I have daily goals, short-term goals, long-term goals. I try to do one big quarterly goal. So that's four big things I want to accomplish every year that leads me to my longer-term goals. And I typically work backwards, right? I know what I want to do in 5 years. So then what do I need to accomplish in 2.5 years or 1 year or 6 months? And it gives me a day-by-day breakdown. Let's say your goal is to buy an apartment building over the next year and you need to write on 100 different properties in order to secure one. We'll break it down. That's only 8 offers a month. Pretty simple when you break it down on a day-to-day basis.